One more big push and you're out.
Owls can be found in nearly every environment in the world, from deserts to coniferous forests to the Arctic tundra. All of the roughly 250 owl species live above ground except for one, the burrowing owl, a small owl found in North and South America that nests in abandoned holes dug by other animals. Part of a group of birds called strigiforms, owls are divided into two families, Titnido, which includes the dozen-plus species of barn owls, the most widespread of all land birds, and Strigido, comprising all other species. Owls have stocky bodies, and they all have round faces except for some species of Titnido, such as barn owls, which have heart-shaped faces. Owls are intriguing birds that easily capture the attention and curiosity of birders. These facts may help clear up a bit of their mystery and reveal what a hoot owls really are. Let's take a closer look at this animal and see how incredible it is. Many owl species have asymmetrical ears. When located at different heights on the owl's head, their ears are able to pinpoint the location of sounds in multiple dimensions. Ready, aim, strike. The eyes of an owl are not true eyeballs. Their tube-shaped eyes are completely immobile, providing binocular vision which fully focuses on their prey and boosts depth perception. Owls can rotate their necks 270 degrees. A blood pooling system collects blood to power their brains and eyes when neck movement cuts off circulation. Owls hunt other owls. Great horned owls are the top predator of the smaller barred owl. Maybe she can be the best hunter flying. The tiniest owl in the world is the alpha owl, which is 5 to 6 inches tall and weighs about 1½ ounces. The largest North American owl, in appearance, is the great gray owl, which is up to 32 inches tall. The northern hawk owl can detect, primarily by sight, a vole to eat up to ½ a mile away. In fat years when mice are plentiful, usually monogamous boreal owls are apt to be promiscuous. Because easy prey means less work for parents feeding their young, males have been caught mating with up to 3 females, while females have been seen with at least one beau on the side. Barn owls swallow their prey whole, skin, bones, and all, and they eat up to 1,000 mice each year. Northern saw-whet owls can travel long distances over large bodies of water. One showed up 70 miles from the shore near Montauk, New York. Not all owls hoot. Barn owls make hissing sounds, the eastern screech owl whinnies like a horse, and saw-whet owls sound like, well, an old whetstone sharpening a saw. Owls are zygodactyl, which means their feet have 2 forward-facing toes and 2 backward-facing toes. Unlike most other zygodactyl birds, however, owls can pivot one of their back toes forward to help them grip and walk. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video.